Hi friends, I hope you and everyone around you are safe and in good health. Today in this video, I'm going to share unbiased Trend Suits reviews and will let you know is Trend Suits legit or a scam website. But before starting guys, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So through this video, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that Trend Suits offers variety of women wear dresses such as designer saris, kurtis, fashionable lehengas, combo of party wear dresses and so forth. And guys, here we can see that the prices of these products are too good to believe. Before proceeding further, friends, I would request you all to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now, let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that the available payment options are Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, Discover, RuPay and Net Banking. And guys, here we can see that the safest and highly preferable option, that is cash on delivery, is also available. Now let's check the shipping policy. So here we can see that orders will be processed and shipped within 1 to 2 business days of ordering. And apart from this guys, here we can see that the shipping charges are not specified. So now let's have a look on return policies. So guys, here we can see that their return policy lasts for 15 days, and the important point to note here is that they haven't specified that who would be responsible for the reverse pickup charges. And apart from this guys, talking about the cancellation policy, so here we can see that no information related to order cancellation is disclosed on the official website. Therefore, now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here in contact us section, we can see that only an email ID is provided, which is info@trendsuits.com. Guys, here we can see that crucial information such as company's address, its contact number is not provided here. Now let's proceed to talk on those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So guys, Trend Suits uses HTTPS connection, therefore the information you send or get through the website is safe, which is quite a positive sign. But guys, it alone is not sufficient to determine the authenticity of any website. Therefore, let's check the details related to registration. So guys, the domain name of Trend Suits was registered on 1st July 2021, and here we can see that domain is registered only for 1 year. Apart from this guys, we can see that the trust index of the website is just 1%, which is extremely poor. Also, the owner of the domain name is hidden, which again is a negative sign. In addition to this guys, 33% of the content over the website is copied as it matches with other scam websites, and the images of the products too are duplicate. And guys, according to Alexa Traffic Rank, this website is ranked 0 among many other million websites. So again, it's a negative highlight. And talking about the Trend Suits reviews, so here on the official website, you will see that there is no section for customers' feedback. And I could not find even a single customer review over the reliable sites on the internet. So guys, it's a red flag because customer reviews are one of the most critical factor in determining the legitimacy of any website. So guys, loopholes such as incomplete contact details, lack of customer remarks, low score on Trustpilot, low Alexa rank, copied content and duplicate images of the products makes us to doubt the authenticity of this website. So guys, based on all these checkpoints, I would highly recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website, as there are high chances of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, that was all about the authenticity of trendsuits.com. And friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below so that other viewers get to know about your shopping experience with this seller. Also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online fraud. Bye bye, guys. Stay safe, stay informed.